Okay, we are back with Redneck target practice. My friend Stan is going to try to hit this can right here now. Alright, here we go. He's going to shoot. This is him. Oh, he's got the laser on it. It's okay, he took it off. He put it back on now. It's alright. That is awesome. Okay, let's go. He's going to shoot. Boom! Clean shot. Straight through it. Right there. Isn't that a beauty? The reason we left off on this video was because my landlord was outside, so we moved. That's why the terrain is different. My friend Stan is going to shoot me shooting now. Here we go. Okay.
Mate, this is my friend Matt. Yeah. Hold on, time out. We're going to take a look at my shot from earlier. Isn't that weird? Alright, now Matthew is going to shoot. You missed.
It's not funny, I didn't miss. Pause.
Communication, the gun actually wasn't loaded. Now it is, I think.
Safety was on.
The gun was not loaded again. One, take three. Headshot.
Holy cow. Look at that. If we were playing video games, that would have killed him. He is dead. Deader than Disco and Michael Jackson. Look at that exit wound. Oh my goodness. Alright, pause it. Okay, so we've graduated from Redneck target practice, and now we're going to shoot this bird. We're gonna try. It's up on the power line. It just looks like a black dot on the screen, though. There's only 20 billion birds in the United States. They may go extinct. Stan is shooting.
Oh, you put the safety on.
The safety was on. We're scooting closer. He's gonna scare it. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Oh, it just flew away. We are going to find another elusive bird. There's only 20 million of them. We'll continue in a second.
You're back live. Matt is getting ready to shoot a bird right here. Just kidding, it flew away. But
we will find another one.
We will.
We're locating another one.
Found ourselves another bird, which you really can't see it from here. But we're going to try to get as close as we can, and Matt's going to try to shoot it. Correction, he is going to shoot it. This is just a tiny bird, it looks like.
This bird looks yellow.
If we kill it, it's going to be a supper. Oh, it just flew away.
The bird has flew the coop.
Alright. Keep walking. Shooting, you can't see anything, but we're gonna oh, nope, just kidding.
We're gonna get as close as we can to this one without scaring it.
Alright.
There's an elusive bird. Like I said, they're very rare in Kansas, so.
In case you didn't get that, we're from Kansas.
Oh yeah, from Kansas. There's also flaming ducks in Kansas. You watch out, they'll get you.
We're getting very close to this bird, so we gotta stay as stealthy as we can. As you can, maybe, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a ton of birds around this area.